Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to do some cheesesteaks outside on the Blackstone. Before we get into this, hit the subscribe button. You'll see more stuff like this coming soon. Let's take a look at what we got and let's get into this. Alright, for this we got some green bell peppers, I've already chopped up. Some sweet onion, which I've already chopped up. And then we got some inside steak. Cut thinly for sandwiches. We're just going to go ahead and season that a little bit. I'll be seasoning the vegetables while they're outside. We're just going to be seasoning it today with fabulous fajita from Heaven Made Products. Let's give it a shot, see what we got. I've tried this before. I like this rub and the seasoning. I'm not going to go too crazy with it. Not using a binder either. I'm just going straight on the meat, as you can see. I'm going to get these seasoned up, just like that. We'll pick back up when we're outside. See you then. All right, first we're going to throw some bacon on the Blackstone. I know you guys are probably thinking bacon, cheesesteak. I don't want that. To each their own. You guys do what you want to do, how you want to do it. And I'll make them how I want to make them. Now we're just going to throw one pack of bacon on. You might hear some noise. I hear the neighbor trying to start up his weed whacker. I don't know why the fuck he's cutting the grass at 6 o'clock on a Sunday, but whatever. To each their own again. Let's get this bacon going. We'll pick back up. See you guys in a bit. All the bacon's on from one package. It's not a lot, but it's enough. We'll get this cooked. We'll pick back up. All right, we're ready to flip this bacon over. Let's flip it. Cook the bacon how you like to cook it. If you want it crispy, make it crispy. If you want it a little bit bite, make it with a little bit of bite. However you feel you want to do it, go for it. There we go. Set the spatula on it. Give it a little bit of weight. We'll pick back up. Okay, this bacon's done. I'm gonna get rid of some of this excess grease that we don't need. I'm just gonna throw the bacon off to the other side that's not on, just to keep it warm. There we go, just like that. Get rid of some of this excess grease that we don't need from the bacon. And I will be leaving some of the grease. We're gonna do our vegetable rolls. We got our green onion, or our green bell peppers and our sweet onion. Now we're gonna throw our onion on. I like my onion nice and caramelized, so cook it however you like it. And we're going to hit that with a little bit of the fabulous fajita as well. Just to season up the veggies. just like that. And they got this going, and we'll pick back up. Okay, we got these onions going pretty good. Have a good look at them. Fly over the bacon. Set you back down over here. There we go, you can see the whole Blackstone again. Now I'm just gonna give these a little flip. Put them off over here to the front where they're still cooking down. Like I said, I like mine cooked pretty nice and caramelized. You might not like yours that way, but that's how I like mine. That's how I'm gonna do it. Sorry for my arm. Now we're gonna throw on our green peppers here. Get our green peppers going. We'll pick back up when we're ready to add on the meat. See you guys in a bit. Quick update, I forgot. We're gonna season the peppers too with the fabulous fajita mix. Heaven made products. This is good stuff. Just hit it all up like that. And that's it. Now we'll pick back up. Okay, our onions are done to my liking. I'm just gonna throw them off over to the other side just to keep them warm. Now we'll work on these green peppers a little bit more. I'm just going to hit them with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Good enough. Finish these up. We'll pick back up when we're ready to put meat on. All right, our green peppers are done. We've got them over here, onions here, bacon in the back. Now what you want to do, or what I'm going to do anyway, hit this side with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I've turned the temperature right down the low. And now we're going to throw our meat on that we have seasoned. And this shouldn't take too long at all to cook because it's nice and thin. That's it, just like that. Now we're gonna get our meat cooked. We'll pick back up. We've been cooking for maybe about a minute. Now we're gonna take our chopper here and just start chopping it up into smaller pieces. As you can see, that's it. Just like so. I gotta finish cutting everything up and getting it ready. We'll show you how we prepare everything. Okay, we're ready to get building on this sandwich. We got our meat all nice and cooked. We'll go over there, that'll be for the kids. And we got our bacon, peppers, onions. Kids won't be eating any of the peppers or onions, but it's okay. More for me and the wife. Now I've turned the heat up a little bit on this. Now I'm gonna flip it over. Keep it all nicely shaped, like our loaf of bread is. Try to anyway. Now I'm gonna throw it on few pieces of bacon on it. Like I said, you guys do it however you guys want to do it. This is how I want to do it, so that's how I'm doing it. Then we're going to take our provolone cheese and just do it right over top. Let everything melt. Melt it all in there together. There we go. Same on the other side. And there we go. Well, we're going to let that cheese melt, then I'll show you how to assemble. To show you guys how I'm going to melt the cheese, I'm going to use the lid from my Weber kettle. Put it right over top. Just because I don't have a lid just yet, I haven't made one for this Blackstone. That's okay. The Weber kettle lid's going to work right now. All right, our cheese should be melted. Let's see what we're looking at. Oh yeah, we're good. Oh, that kettle lid will work out good for that. Nicely melted, the cheese. Now let's build up a sandwich. Now we're using a French loaf, which I've cut in half, as you can see. We're just going to put this right over top there, just like that. Let that sit for 30 seconds or so. We'll pick back up in about 20 more seconds. All right. Now, let's get underneath everything here. Hopefully we can get everything to flip nice for us. Oh, almost. There you have it. We got our cheesesteak. Now we're gonna throw our onions on. And our peppers. And there you have it. There's a cheesesteak sandwich for you. There we go. There you have it. Oh, we'll pick back up in a minute. All right, there you have it. We've made one cheesesteak. We've made two. Fabulous fajita. That's what we used. Let's slice this one up. See what we're looking at inside. Oh yeah, look at that. There you go. Now let's get a bite. This cheesesteak is awesome. The meat, the seasoning, peppers, onions, the bacon, the cheese. Excellent. Well, there you go. Hit the subscribe if you like this one. You want to see more. See you guys on the next one. Bye.